Aubrey, look at that ant on your chair. What are you going to do?
A shoe.
You're going to tell it shoo? Okay.
Shoe!
It didn't hear you.
Shoe!
Oh man, it's still there.
Shoe! Big shoe. Shoe!
Oh, he's looking at you. It's not scary. It's an ant. What are you going to go tell that ant? Go tell him. That's not exactly what I was imagining you telling him. Tell him, shoo!
Shoe!